Preparing objects or people for scanning. You want to level the object, head, or body to make sure the scan is ideal for subsequent use in further things like model adjusting and whatever. You want to keep the scanned object or person still, so you don't overlap the sides. You don't overlap any surfaces. You want to clear the area of nearby objects so moving your scanner around the object does not get interrupted and you can get a smoother scan. Reserve enough space for the scan range so you can move yourself around so you can better maneuver your scanner around the object. You want to be patient and meticulous. It takes a while for the scanner to get a hold. Sometimes it can stutter and lose tracking. Other times there may be a lot of features on your object, so you might want to be meticulous, as your scanner will slowly fuzzle over and get the details. Scan orbit and resolution. I've done 3 trials of this scan. This has already been a scan, but I scanned it again to show you that the first time I tried it, it has a missed side. The missed side shows in the second picture of the first trial, where it's a bit hollow there. Then I tried moving the object with my hand to help the scanner. That didn't help out. It has an overlap side. As you can see, there is a bit of a cape or something around over the model, and that should not be there. I did not trim it to show that this can happen. The second picture shows my second attempt at scanning the model. The background got scanned into it, so it looks like a bit of a wing got connected midair as an extension. That's not supposed to happen, so you want to be careful to focus on the object. There'd be a little bit of frayed extension too. You want to avoid that too. My third trial. This is the cleanest scan so far. I may have missed a bit. That's because the scanner hasn't gotten all the way, but despite little holes showing how hollow it is, if I solidify it, it should assume curvature and be a decent model. You could do better, but for now, this is a process of how you want to get better and better at scanning an object. So you'll want to carefully adjust to cover every bit needed, as it takes a while for each time. Important tips when scanning. In these 6 pictures, you see more green. Green here means stable scan capture, or stable capture. That means the scanner is doing fine and you're doing fine. If you're moving steadily, slowly, and carefully. Sometimes you don't need to move slowly. It can lose tracking though. That's when it shows the red sign showing lost tracking. And if you point at some place that they can see you tricked about, it turns red. If you move too fast, it turns yellow. And you want to move slowly around complex features if it cannot handle the amount of detail. You can provoke a tracking issue though, with very dark colors, glossy surfaces, or excess shininess. I'll show you now how there may be excess shininess in your hair and the effect that it has had on the scan of my head, where it shows you a crater and the rest of the skull replaced it, and that's why it's a bit hollow here.